Welcome all of you. In the previous video, we learned Python operator overview. In the today's video, we are going to dip into Python operators. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator, then launch Jupyter Notebook. We created folder inside the desktop, Python, create new file, add name as your site. So I'm adding detail Python operators. Okay, so as you know, there are various operators such as arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator. Arithmetic operators are nothing but the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which we cover on previous video, as well as assignment operator. So in the assignment operator, suppose you like x is equal to 5, and if you write x plus equal to 3. So what is the meaning of x plus equal to 3? So this is nothing but I'm writing comment x is equal to x plus 3. So x plus equal to 3 is nothing but the x is equal to x plus 3. Then if I run this command and I'm printing the value of x, then I will get x value is 8. How this 8 is coming? Because currently my x value is 5. So x plus equal to 3 is nothing but the x is equal to x plus 3, that is 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. If I write something like this, instead of x is equal to 5, if I write x into equal to 3, s into equal to 3. So what is the meaning of this? This is nothing but x is equal to x into 3, that is multiplication of 3. So 5 into 3, that is 15. If I print x value, then I will get 15. So these are some basic assignment operator. Then the next operators are comparison operator and most important operators. So suppose my x value is equal to 50 and y value is equal to 100, and if I want to check that whether my x value is equal to y or not, so what I have to write? If I write x equal to y, so what is the meaning of double equal to? Double equal to is nothing but the compare two variables. And what is the meaning of single equal to? Single equal to is nothing but the assign y value to x variable. So this is the single equal to. And what is double equal to? Double equal to is nothing but the compare two values. So we, first what they check, 50 is equal to 100. So if I print this, then you will get false, and that means your value is not same. Suppose I write something this, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 100, and again if I check this condition, x equal to y, that is this Python compiler compare both value, that is x and y. If they are same, they will give you return true. So this is true because my x and y value are true. Same like this in the Python comparison operator, there is one more thing, that is x is not equal to y. They will return us true if x and y are not same. If x and y are both same operator, then they will return us false. So suppose I print this, then I will get false because x and y value are same. Suppose I change the x value, for example x is equal to 800 and y is equal to 100, and if I again run this, then I will get true. True is nothing but the my x and y value are not same, so that is equal to not equal to symbol. So this is nothing but the not equal to symbol, and this is nothing but the equal to. Then if I write something like this, x is greater than y, that is x value is greater than y. So if I run this, then I will get true because x value is 800 and y value is 100. If I write something this, x is less than y, if I print this, then I will get false because y value is 100 and obviously y is less than 800, not greater than. That's why it will return false. Now there is one more thing. Suppose I am writing x is equal to 5 and y is equal to, suppose I am writing x is equal to 5 And if I write then x is less than or equal to 6, or x is greater than, or sorry, less than or equal to 6. If I print this, it will give me true because x value is 5 and it always less than or equal to 6. Suppose I am writing x is equal to 5 and x is less than or equal to 5, then it will also give me true because x value is 5 and y, that's condition value, is also 5. But if I write something this, x is less than equal to 5, that means my current value is 5, and if I'm checking the condition, that is x is less than 5, if I run this, then you will get false, because if the both values are same, then you have to use equal to sign, that is less than equal to, or you can use greater than equal to. But if you write only greater than or less than symbol, if the both value are same, then that will give you false. So these are some Python comparison operator. Now the main thing is a logical operator. So what are the logical operator? If I'm opening one whiteboard, just wait. Yes, so in the logical operators, there are three types of operator in the Python. The first one, an increase in the font. The first one is AND, second one is OR, and third one is NOT. To understand this AND or NOT, we have to make a truth table. What is a truth table? So create one truth table. So I'm creating one truth table here. That is A and B and A, Y, Y, B. So this is my A value, this is my B value, this is A and B. You can write something like this, or shortcut of A is and is B, and the next one is A or symbol B. So this is AND symbol and this is OR symbol. So if you write something like this, that is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, and if I draw one line here, so this is 0 1 0 1, and this is nothing but the 0 0 and 1 1. You can consider as 0 is nothing but the false statements and 1 is nothing but the true statement. So if A is 0 and B is 0, then A and B, that is A and B, is always 0. Then if A is 0 and B is 0, then A or B, that is A or B, is always 0. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then A and B is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then A and B is equal to 1. If you write something this, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then you will get 0. And A or B, you will get 1, because 1 0 1. If you write A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then A and B is equal to 1, and A or B is also equal to 1. So this is the truth table of AND gate, that is AND or condition. So if you consider this truth table, and I'm writing one condition here. What is the condition? X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 100. And if I'm writing X is less than 5 and Y is greater than 50. Suppose this is my condition. So if I run this, I am getting false. How I am getting this false? Let's run this program using compiler mind. So as you know, this is our condition, that is X is less than 5 and Y is greater than 50. My X value is, we put X value is 5 and Y value is 100. So my X value is 5 and my Y value is 100. So the first condition is X is less than 5. So if you consider X value is 5 and I'm writing X is less than 5, that will give me false, or you can write it as a 0, and y is greater than 50. So my y value is 50, so that will give me true because my y value is greater than 0. So this is nothing but the true is nothing but 1, false is nothing but 0. So we have to check 0 and 1 truth table. So this is our truth table. A value is 0, so my A value is 0, and B value is 1, so my B value is 1. So 0, 1, A and give us 0, so 0 stands for false. That's why we get here false. If we write something like this, suppose x is less than 10 and y is greater than 50. If I write this, we will get true. So how we will get true? Let's check again. I'm deleting this. Let's check the condition. X is less than 10, so my x value is 5 and is less than 10. That means it is true. So that means it is true. That is 1. And y value is greater than 100. Y value is greater than 50. So that is also true. So that is nothing but the 1. So if you check the truth table, A value is 1 and B value is 1, and if I'm considering AND table, that is 1 1 give me 1, that is 1 is nothing but the true. That's why true is coming into this output. If I change the condition, that is x is greater than equal to x is less than equal to 50, or I'm writing or y is greater than 200. I'm writing these two conditions. We first check the output. So I'm deleting this condition. Just wait. X is less than or equal to 50. So my x value is less than or equal to 50. Yes, it is true. So x value become 1. 1 is nothing but true. And I have to add or condition here. Y is greater than y is greater than 200. So my 100 is not greater than 200. That is, it is nothing but false. So one condition is true, second condition is false. So I have to check or truth table. So how to check that? Check A is equal to 1. So my A is equal to 1, and B is equal to 0. So my B is equal to 0. And if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, or value is 1. That's why if we run the condition, we will get 1, and 1 is nothing but true. Let's check that. If I run this, then I will get value is equal to true. So these are some logical operators in Python. There are one more thing, that is identity operators. So what are identity operator? Suppose x value is 50 and y value is also 50, and if you write something x is a keyword in the Python, x is y. If you run this, then you will get true. So what is the meaning of is statement? So is nothing but they compare both variable x and y. If the value of x and y are equal, then it will return true. And if I change the value, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 50, and if I run this condition again, then I will get false because x and y value are not same. So you can say that it is a shortcut to check whether both values are true or not. This is one more thing is, and x is not y. So it is opposite of x is, that nothing but if check x value and y value are not same. Is not is nothing but check x value and y value are not same. If they same, if the x and y value are same, then it will give you false. But if x value and y value are not same, then it will return you true. Okay, because our x value is 20 and y value is 50. So guys, this is related to the Python operators in details. Okay, subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.